Hello, welcome along to our channel today. We're going to be installing a double USB power port onto this Goldwing. It's due to be going on a run tomorrow to Wales, so looking to put an adapter to charge whatever it is you want to charge as you go along with just camera, phone, accessories, whatever. Now this is one from SW Motor Tech. It's a double USB, heavy enough one. Has a good rubber connector on it if you ever want it as a handlebar mount. There are two 5-amp connectors or sockets, and we're actually going to be mounting these into the trunk of this bike. So, but again, you can throw it anywhere you want. So we'll get started. Now, we already have, there is already some holes drilled in this bike so far. Previously, I think it was for an aerial. Okay, so first what we use is our drill with our bit on it. Now, we do it slowly, we don't want to make it too big obviously. I think that's very close to it. Small bit more. So we now have the hole drilled in the trunk. So here we are on the inside. So we'll just check for size. Perfect. Tight. Now we'll run the cable. Down and over to the battery. So we remove the side cover. And we're going to use this terminal for the positive and that for the neutral. Now I have no eyelets readily available, so what I'm going to do is, first of all we'll take care of our black wire. for the red wire, then what we're going to do is put this back in that we had taken out. What we're going to use is one of these heat connectors. I find these very handy. So there we are, that's all connected up. We have it installed behind the seat. Just tidy up the wiring and charge what you want while you're travelling. Hope you found this video to be of some use. Any questions, please let us know, and you'll find the link to the product down below. Thanks for joining us, and goodbye for now.